Infusions to fight cellulite. Cellulite, also known as orange peel skin, is one of the worst nightmares for women in general. This circulation disorder can affect overweight people and also those who are thin. In this article, we will present a few different all-natural infusions to fight cellulite naturally. The ugly look that it gives the skin does not have seriousness for your health, but there is a lot of discomfort when wearing clothing that leaves the affected areas uncovered, which negatively influences the self-esteem of those who have it. As we already stated, this is a circulatory problem. Can affect anyone of the female sex. And in order to understand the reason behind this disorder a little more, we will do a brief review on the causes of this as well as offer information on how to. Cellulite is mainly caused because of circulation disorders that are also associated with hormonal and genetic concerns. Women have greater hormonal issues, which makes us susceptible to these kinds of alterations. In addition to the causes we already mentioned, others would be the consumption of fats, lack of exercise, deficient consumption of water, salt abuse, carbonated beverages, smoking tobacco, stress, using contraceptive pills, etc. So, the most important factors in regards to the appearance of cellulite would be hormonal and genetic factors, and poor dietary habits. So since we cannot have any influence on genetic factors, we should take action on the rest. If you want to fight against cellulite, you should start by changing your diet. You should also include drinking enough water to cleanse and hydrate your body. Remember that this problem is closely related to the accumulation of toxins in the body, and it is not in vain that the appearance of cellulite is also associated with constipation. The combination of a good diet, exercise, drinking water, plus doing aesthetic treatments will be a huge help. But one method alone will hardly produce positive and lasting results. There are also herbs that can be a huge help as an aid in the fight against cellulite. Because these plants contain detoxifying, cleansing, and diuretic properties, these plants will eliminate toxins and liquids accumulated in the body, making your skin look better. Pay attention to the infusions we will mention below. Mint. Known for its effectiveness to detoxify and cleanse the body, it also activates blood circulation. You can drink an infusion of dried or fresh leaves per cup of water. Horsetail. It has diuretic and cleansing properties, which is why it is highly recommended for fighting cellulite, as well as benefiting the body in general. You can make the infusion with a teaspoon of the dried plant per cup of water. Drink it after your meals. Mallow. It helps improve circulation in the areas affected by cellulite and improve their appearance. It causes the exchange of liquids in the areas of fat to be effective by eliminating the excess. Make an infusion with a teaspoon of the flowers and leaves per cup. Drink 2 cups a day. External use. IV. This is only to be used externally. If you eat it, you run the risk of getting poisoned. It causes an increase in blood circulation in the area you apply it to. To use it as a poultice, you should make a decoction of the plant's fresh leaf and then immediately put the paste in a cloth. Apply it to the affected area, holding it in place with a knot or tape. The infusions we mentioned are an aid in the fight against cellulite. Do not do long treatments or abuse the dosage. If you are under medical treatment, pregnant, or breastfeeding, first ask a professional before consuming these.